I tried Quetta Karahi in a Karachi restaurant. Was it worth it? It was a reward after 2 prior shopping challenges at the Juma Bazaar. And somehow, the trip to the restaurant meant uncovering what really happens on a Karachi bus. But on the way to a restaurant, I visited a Juma Bazaar. It was already evening, but on camera it was showing darker. Time to hurry up. I wanted some oil-based perfumes. Let's see if I can find it. I want a vetiver scent. क्या खस साइक का है? खस देखो I tried quite a few scents. Until I found what I like. मुझे दूसरा खस और फूड सोडे पसंद है. कार्ड एक्सेप्ट या नहीं? एक्सेप्टेड. 3 जायका बड़ा बोतल चाहिए. ये दुकान नाम क्या है? हाफिज. Good start. I found my desired attars. अच्छा, payment successful. कितना अच्छा दुकान है. मैं यहाँ 20 आऊँगा. With such a great start, getting a topi hat should be easy too. What could possibly go wrong? I think I just need to find the right size. Should be easy. मेरा सर बड़ा है. मुश्किल नहीं है. No problem. अच्छा. मुश्किल. No problem. No. Oh, I'll just ask to give me anything that fits. Salam, क्या ये टोपी 100 रुपए है? 100 rupees only. मेरा सिर बड़ा है. तुम्हारा सिर क्यों बड़ा है? आप कौन सा जुबान बोलता है? अंग्रेजी नहीं हूँ. लिथुआनियन. Yes. अच्छा, अभी रात है. मैं 5 दिन आऊँगा. अच्छा, शुक्रिया. I tried to get topi and I found out that it doesn't exist. Not only did I not find a topi that fits, but also now I have to travel in a bus at night. Will it be safe? In the corner seat I could see everybody on the bus. I did not detect any suspicious people. So yes, perhaps my trip to the restaurant is safe. So now it's time to go test if the food's gonna be good. We arrived at North Walk Mall. After crossing the security, we started going towards Angeti restaurant. Sardi lagta hai. How many percent? 2. Handi. I want to get some kind of karahi. I just learned that Handi is in clay pot and Karahi in metal pot. I'm choosing between chicken Karahi, achari, Peshawari, Quetta. Let me know in comments about them. I will get chicken Quetta Karahi, and from chicken Quetta Karahi I have option boneless or boneful. I'll get the boneful version.
एक garlic fries और एक salmon.
मुझे chicken Quetta Karahi.
Full 4% serving and half 2%.
Oh, okay, then half.
If you want to medium spicy, then chicken Peshawari Karahi.
Oh, I want extra spices.
Spices.
Received my garlic naans that look like this. Chicken Quetta Karahi. Let's see how it looks. Oh, puff of smoke went Okay, it's time to put into the plate. I will use tools. Good, good. Good, hearty, warming flavors. So yeah, planning to add everything and finish everything. Now I have to scrape, to brush. If I make this, I would have marinated the meat for longer. So overall, I'll give an approval to this place. Card. Overall, the food is good. I know that the presence of bones makes the flavor much better. Right, now it's time to pay. Alapis. Yeah, inside was maybe 23 and here 30. Nice people. They are well trained, so that's nice.
Quetta Karahi is worth it. I recommend you try it.
Okay, I'm back, turning on the light in the room. Look at that, how bright it is. Daytime. Very nice, I'm happy for this.
If you made it this far, drop a sun in the comments to let us know you made it to the end. Please click like and then the video will be shown to other people. And for more curious and quirky adventures, subscribe to our channel and we will see you next time.